Hi, today I want to continue from where we stopped previously on waves. So we define waves as a disturbance that travels through a medium, transferring energy from one point to another without causing any permanent displacement of the medium. Then we also looked about the classes of wave, the types of wave. But today we are going to look at terms used in describing wave. We have so many things used in describing wave, and it will help us to understand wave better. So let's go. The first one we have is what? A cycle. What is a cycle? A cycle is a complete oscillation of a vibrating particle, because a complete oscillation means when the body goes to and fro, to and fro. I'm going to explain it later. Then the next one is what? Amplitude. The symbol is A. The amplitude is the maximum displacement of a particle performing simple harmonic motion from its equilibrium what? Position. From its equilibrium position. I'm still going to explain that with a wave diagram. Now, this amplitude can also known as what? The peak or the maximum displacement in which a wave has what? Traveled. The peak or the maximum displacement in which a wave has traveled. It is measured in meters. Then the next we have on the board is frequency. Frequency is a complete cycle or the complete oscillation that the particle makes in 1 second. That means frequency is a complete cycle or oscillation that the particle makes in 1 second. So we can otherwise say that frequency is what? Number of cycles over what? Time. It is measured in hertz. We can also say that it is measured in a second. Frequency is measured in hertz. So let's go to the next part of the parameters, which is what? Period. What is period? Period is time taken for a wave particle to make one complete oscillation. So if you take this particle 20 seconds to make a complete oscillation, it is said to be what? Period. Because it is time we are looking at, period can be measured in what? Seconds. Period can be measured in seconds. Now there's also a relationship between period and frequency. I'm going to discuss it at the end of this class. Then the next we have is what? Wavelength. And the symbol for wavelength is lambda. The symbol for wavelength is lambda. Wavelength is the distance between two successive crests or successive stroke of a wave. Two successive crests or successive stroke of a wave. It is measured in what? Meters. Because it is distance, so it is measured in meters. Then the next we have is wave speed. Wave speed is the distance which wave travels in 1 second. The distance in which wave travels in 1 second, it is measured in meters per second. It is measured in meters per second. So guys, let me take you back to the relationship I said between frequency and period. If we say that frequency is number of complete oscillation all over what? Time. Then also we can equally say that period is the time taken for a particle to make one complete oscillation. So guys, look at it. So if we say that the frequency is n over t, whereas the period is t over n, there's a relationship between them. In other words, we can say that both of them are inversely what? Proportional to each other, which means that frequency is inverse of period, or period is inverse of what? Frequency. Wow! I hope you enjoyed the class. If you have your questions, you can put it in the comment section. See you next time.